Well, today's July 21st. It's about 6:48 p.m. in the evening. Of course, p.m. is in the evening. Got a little thunderstorm rolling in here. Just started to rain. It's coming from the east, moving west. And you hear the thunder and lightning. Lightning and the thunder. I don't know if we'll capture any of the lightning here, but it's been some pretty close strikes. Wind picking up. I suppose I could dedicate this little movie to all our friends in Southern California where it never rains. All the fires they're having out there, they could probably use a little dose. It's starting to come down pretty good now. Back up here a little bit so the camera don't get wet. I think we missed it. There's a couple of lightning strikes that were just incredible. So close and loud. And down here to our rain gutter. Starting to flow pretty good. Pan around here to the west. Clouds are moving out into the Gulf very slowly. had such a strong Gulf breeze out of the west that the moisture's had a hard time getting here from the middle of the state where it builds up from the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. But we're getting a little bit of rain, and it's good for the grass and everything else. Sun's coming back out there. Probably a rainbow someplace off to the east. Anyway, this is kind of your typical west central Florida summertime thunderstorm that develop along the sea breeze and the moisture that builds up in the inland. Anyway, bring back around here. The sun's just about ready to disappear behind some clouds off to the west here. Still July 21st, even though the camera says 2003. And it's about 6:58 p.m. Got a little rain squall building up here. And it's a typical west central Florida thunderstorm. Surprised it made it here. The sea breeze has been so strong. It's been holding it back the last couple days. But this one here has been pretty organized. And it's a welcome rain, that's for sure. Coming down pretty good now. Probably an inch an hour maybe, that keeps it up. Ooh, that's cold. Wind is whipping pretty good. I like to keep the sun in the viewfinder here, but you can see the wind is really whipping here. Probably 30, 35 miles an hour at the treetops. So, wouldn't be riding a motorcycle out in this. That's a nice rain. There's the sun. You can see it in the viewfinder here or not. Zoom in a little bit. Pretty much